Hey, did your Mac desktop icon suddenly disappear after maybe an update? If your desktop looks completely blank and your files or folders are missing, don't worry, here I'm gonna show you 2 different ways how you can restore missing desktop icons, widgets or files on your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro with the latest macOS Tahoe. So as you can see on my Mac, the desktop is completely blank, no files, no folder, no icons showing. So the first I just click on the Apple icon at the top and open System Settings. So this is the main settings app we need. Here you will see many options. Don't worry, just follow along. So the first thing you have to check, automatically hide and show the dock option. So this option only hides or shows the dock so it doesn't affect your files, but make sure it's set the way you prefer. So now you have to scroll down to the desktop and stage manager section. So under this you have to make sure from show items, this is actually enabled. So as soon as you enable this, you will see your desktop files and folders appear again. This is usually the main fix. Next, you have to go to widget section. If your widgets are missing, turn on show widgets on desktop. So once you enable this, your widget will instantly appear back on the home screen, and this is really amazing. Now just go back from the settings and you should see your file, folder and widget again. But if sometimes it's still missing, just click on Go in the top menu bar and open iCloud Drive. Then go to desktop folder, and sometimes macOS moves desktop file here after an update. You can also check the files or folders that are missing just from the recent or previous items, as macOS may keep older files there temporarily. So that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.